Today I'm gonna show you how to change a bulb, indicator bulb and brake and side eye bulb on a Honda Civic 2008. You've got one side eye bulb here and one here, and also the brake light bulbs are both sides, so it's a double filament bulb here and here. To do that, we're just gonna open the tailgate. We're gonna remove this cover. Like that, it's very easy, no force. And then you've got two 8mm or Phillips screwdriver bolts to take out. So now the bolts are out, all you have to do is just pull it gently like that, and there you have your access to your bulbs. Take the bulbs out, you just twist, take it out, and this is your indicator bulb, and also same here, twist, and this is your other bulb. This is all black, so I'm gonna put a new bulb and I'm gonna put it all back in. Okay, and for the bulb on the tailgate, you've got this cover here. You've got a space here. You can use a flat screwdriver, just gently pull that out, and then this is your brake light and side light indicator bulb. Again, you just twist just like that, and that is. Okay, and you can also find here reverse bulb, which depends. This is, again, you have to twist it, and under this panel you're gonna find the other bulbs on the other side. Same screwdriver there, comes out, and that's it. Now I'm gonna put it back in after I put my new bulb. To replace the bulb, you just pull it out. Just pull it out, that's all. I'm trying not to touch the bulb with my hands because the grease, it may cause premature wear on the bulb, so try not to touch with your hands. Use some gloves if possible. Again, we put it back in, twist, and then just put the cover on. Start from this end. And there you go. Okay, I've got the new bolt in. I'm just gonna insert it here and twist my indicator bulb. Again, press it in and twist. Got this pin here. We're gonna hold there. You see the hole. And then just press it in. We're gonna put our bolts back now. And then we're gonna put the cover. The cover, you just slowly press it in. It clips in all around, and that's how you change your brake light bulbs and side light bulb and indicator bulb on a Honda Civic 2008. Thanks for watching.